Okay, we're looking at a couple of examples where we can do two-step experiments or multi-stage experiments. So in this case, we've got a coin is flipped and a die is rolled. So when we roll our dice, we can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When we flip a coin, we can get heads or tails. Now we can fill out a table showing that data and showing the combinations or the outcomes using that. So we can use a H for head and a T for tail. So we have H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, and then we've got T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, and T6. So that means we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 outcomes that we could get when we flip a coin and roll a dice. We can then talk about what is the probability of H3. So we can look on our table. We've got 1 that is H3 out of 12, so that probability is 1 over 12. Then we can go a little bit more complicated and go, well, what's the probability of getting heads and an even number? So we're looking along this line where the heads are, and here we've got H2, that's heads and an even number. H4 is heads and an even number, and H6 is heads and an even number. So that's going to be 3 out of 12, which we can simplify to 1 over 4. Now, another common one that you might be asked to do is when you roll 2 dice. Now, obviously it takes a long time to get that table done, so I've pre-done a lot of it. So we've got our 2 dice here, and so here we've got 1, 1, because we're rolling a 1 and a 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, etc. Then we get a 1, 6 on the end here. Then we've got 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. We've got 4, 1 here, 5, 2, 6, 4, and that's our table completed. So in that table we have 36 outcomes and the probability of rolling 2 1s. So we can look at our table and go, okay, well there's only one way in the table that we got 2 1s. So that's 1 out of 36. And we can look at what is the probability of rolling a double. Now our doubles are our 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5, and 6 6. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ways of getting that out of 36. But we can simplify that fraction to 1 over 6. And then we've got ones where we might look at what is the probability of rolling at least one odd number. So we're going to go across our line and circle which ones have at least one odd. So 1 1, yep, 1 2. So at least one means we've got one odd number or 2 odd numbers. So all of these ones in that first row have at least one odd number. Here we've got 2 1, so that's okay, 2 3, and 2 5. All the ones on the 3 row. On the 4 row, we've got 4 1, 4 3, and 4 5. On the 5 row, obviously all of them. And in the 6th row, we've got 6 1, 6 3, and 6 5. So then we just need to add up how many we've got there. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So we've got 27 out of 36. Another option would have been to count the ones that are left over, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and take that away from 36, which would give you 27 over 36. We still need to simplify that down, so they both divide by 9, which gives us 3 over 4. If you were asked about the totals of the dice, you might then want to make it easier for yourself is to go through and add those totals in there. So 1 and 1 would give you 2, 2 and 1, 3, 3 and 1, 4, etc. and fill those totals in so that if you needed to answer some questions about getting a certain total, that would make it easier to read it off the table.